Double entry bookkeeping. In double entry bookkeeping, every transaction will involve a minimum of 2 accounts. It means you can have 3 accounts, 4 accounts, or 5 accounts affected as long as your debits and credits are equal. Let me give you an example involving 2 accounts. The owner invested 100,000 cash to the entity. This transaction will affect 2 accounts: the company's cash and the company's capital. Now, let's journalize this transaction. First, let's have a quick recap of the normal balances of account. Normal balances increases an account. It can be either debit or credit. The normal balance of an asset is debit. Say, I will debit an asset, I will increase an asset. And vice versa, crediting an asset decreases an asset. On the other hand, the normal balance of liabilities and equity is credit. So, crediting liabilities and equity increases them, and debiting them decreases them. So, what's the effect of the transaction above to cash and capital of the entity? Investment of the owner increases the cash and the capital. Cash is asset and capital is equity. As a result, to record the increase in cash, you need to debit cash, and to record the increase in your capital, you need to credit your capital. Now, let me give you another example involving more than 2 accounts. The entity purchased an equipment worth 200,000, paid the half in cash, and the remaining is on credit. Your journal entries will be: debit equipment worth 200,000 because you purchased an equipment which is an asset. Then, credit your cash for 100,000 because the cash will decrease as a result of the payment made. And of course, since the remaining half is on credit, you need to increase your liability. So, you are going to credit your accounts payable for 100,000. Now, you can check the total debits and the total credits. Your debits and credits must always be equal. If you have questions, just let me know through comments. Thank you for listening.